Howdy ArtyAliens and welcome! I am Paul Yateman. I draw stuff. In today's video I am drawing in a style inspired by H.A. Giger. This style has been dubbed Biomechanical. I am drawing a dog sitting down and holding its tail for day 25 of my H.A. Giger challenge. I began with a light sketch based on a 2011 work of mine, and then I exclusively used a 0.8 fineliner for the line work. This took me about 30 minutes to ink. I'll provide a scan at the end of the video, including a coloured version I produced in Photoshop. Besides the intro and exit, I shan't be speaking. If you were inspired to draw in a biomechanical style, share what you came up with in the comments or on one of my social media outlets. If you found this interesting, informative, entertaining, you were inspired to draw in your sketchbook or journal, subscribe, like and share. And until next time, you've been watching Drawing Self with me, Paul Yateman. Ciao, take care and happy drawing.